Welcome back, riders. Daniela here with RideNow Powersports. I'm super excited to go over this brand new Polaris RZR Trail Ultimate in Ghost Gray. We're super excited to talk about this brand new addition to the RZR lineup. This is a RZR Trail Ultimate. It's going to come with a handful of additions right off the showroom floor. All right, guys, this Trail Ultimate is going to come from the factory with Fox Podium 2.0 X shocks. That's going to give you 10 inches of suspension travel on the front and rear of the vehicle. This also comes with a dual A-arm with a stabilizer bar as well. This RZR is going to be equipped with bolstered bucket seats, full doors, and a poly sport roof that's easily detachable. Also, this RZR Trail Ultimate is going to come from the factory with a Rockford Fosgate Stage 2 audio setup. Also a ride command so you know where you are at all times. All right, guys, to see this RZR in person, head on over to your local RideNow Powersports.